Yeah, guess what? Let's start the show, eh? So in this session I want to continue. It would be then the day 8 part 2. In part 1 day 8 I completed the getting started section in Godot documentation manual online, first 2D game. Previously I already jumped and went through the 3D game tutorial. I didn't have problems with any of the tutorials documents on the official Godot site. And I'm getting curious to go through all these sections of the actual manual. I got used to the way it's been conversed, the writing style. It's been updated to 4.3, that's what I use at the moment. I have also 3.6 Godot editor. And I'm thinking about doing not this, but this tutorial, game tutorials for version 4.x, actually major version Godot 4, from the Kids Can Code website that I found link here on the in Godot documentation under community tutorials and resources. And I think I'm ready for this type of game. I got quite comfortable with using the editor, the engine. Feels nice, cozy. I can find my way around. Iron out the kinks if I found any. I also use for visual aid, I use the Windows magnifier, so you can also see better the topic at hand, like this. See? And during the actual going through the course, I switch to this full screen scene, where my portrait gets shrunk as I'm silent and pops up when I'm continuously talking. Just like this, and then like this, and back up. Just like that. So recently I started streaming to Trovo and DLive. DLive, it doesn't seem to be that complicated, very simple, efficient dashboard for live stream. But Trovo is so elaborate for the beginner, for novice over there on platform. It's still need to find my way around. And traditionally also on Kick, Twitch, YouTube. YouTube, hey, somebody could be here on YouTube. I can see you. Just getting started here. In this type of session streams, hey, there's our guy GD Doggy. Yeah, how you doing? Didn't work. Your suggestion didn't work last time. Character body 2D. I left it. I've completed with the as the tutorial suggested, area to the body or area to the shape, whatever, and it all worked fine. I don't blame you. I appreciate your tip, but maybe for another use case, use that. It was the thing that the signal didn't have a signal appropriate for the demonstration for the tutorial. It uses the mouse body enter signal, while area 2D has the body enter signal, something like that, shape, collision, whatever. I might just do the override manually, but hey. And see, I'll try this one. I'm quite curious if there are hiccups, if this is this tutorial is somewhat lacking in the, I don't know what. Area 2D as a child node of character 2D body. Guess that's the way to do it, huh? Yep, got you there, got you on that. Got it. I just thought that since all the classes are like probably optimized and specialized for use case, so I'll take that idea as a guideline. But to implement, I don't know, whatever solution required, I would reach out for any solution available. But I'm kind of guessing that they've done their work optimizing the engine with those specialized classes, so I don't need to use whatever I find and then trim it, trying to put a big Christmas tree in the small cabin, like let's say that metaphorically. What am I doing? Sorry, I'll just paste there this thing and pin it for anybody else. I'm supposed to say this thing. I'm supposed to say here this thing, just for anybody else popping by, stopping by, like this. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. Oops, no, stop clicking. GD Doggy, what version do you use recently for, let's say, elaborate Godot projects? Is still 3.6 okay to use because of the, let's say, altogether support and the tooling around it build? Is it 4.3 too new? But it's been around now for quite a few years already. Version 4. Well, I give it a few more minutes before digging into the tutorial, and then I'll probably turn away my attention completely from chat to the tutorial. Yeah, cool, got it, got you. GD Doggy 4.2, cool. 4.3, no big difference. Well, I was asking more with the yeah, I'm using 4.3, but let's say for an elaborate project, would one maybe be better doing itself better service using 3.6 because more tooling already available in the minor version for the previous major version 3. I guess like everywhere, it takes quite some time to update all the extensions, tools, templates to major version, newer, higher major versions. I would intentionally challenge myself, not just to make it difficult for any reason, but just to follow the logic of advancements between classes from version 3 to 4, whether it's just hardware support, newer, more optimized routines, or one would just have more choices in the ecosystem in the era of version 3. Okay, I'm ready. Well, video tutorials, I find it better, simpler to follow the at the moment text, easier to maintain focus, to keep track. It's simpler to go through the one page of text, then flick the frames of the video. One page of text, it's easier to track the progress. In video, when the word is said and you pause it, there's no info. You need to replay, rewind, replay, re-listen. What's he saying? What's he doing? Why do you do that? So on. I've tried it for a few other subjects, and it reveals often that there's something lacking in the video or in the text instructions, or vice versa. Sometimes videos reveal the actual user interface elements used. Sometimes they just, it depends on the method of editing. I'll get into that. I want to dig through the basics, get real comfortable, and then, because there are some things that are not clear right away, or haven't been clear to me right away, now I've got more comfortable. What I can do, what I'm supposed to do, what I'm supposed to be able to do. what I can do if I want to. Not just like stick to this routine. Again, I'm not formally educated, and English is not my first language, so there are some abstractions that I like to take time to sink in, like, let's say, more advanced math topics that translate in, I don't know, animation, movement, and something like that. Well, I'm ready to start with this. Wherever it takes us, it will be fun. I feel enough comfortable to go through this, but actually introduce my custom stuff. Custom maybe, I might spend some even more time through this and do my own graphics. And bring up the audio trimming tool, even try custom sound effects. I'm trying to keep myself focused with these interesting courses, because I'll often let my attention and imagination turn loose, and my appetites, ambitions grow over my abilities. So, in the series, we'll start with basics and build a classic old-school space shooter. Here's a screenshot. Great. In each part of the series, we'll build a piece of game. No way. Adding features and explaining the process along the way. Sure you will. I know you. I know how you work. If you find that you're struggling with the programming side of things, see these resources. Cool. Do I have the link to the next, or I keep the progress here clicking? Project setup. So project setup, the first game project will guide you through making your first... Okay, stop saying that all over on each page. While you don't need any previous experience, it's expected you've at least had a decent meal in the morning and read through the newspapers, went to the bathroom and paired a bucket of coffee. There you'll learn about the editor interface and how to get around the Godot UI. Why start with 2D? Well, of course, where else? In a nutshell, 3D games are much more complex than 2D ones. However, many of the underlying game engine features, I've heard that phrase before. Open Godot and start a new project. You can name it anything you like. We're going with a classic shmup. And downloading the art. You know what? Why don't I spend some time doing my own art? I'm feeling like a bit... I don't want to... That can be if I start... Maybe I could just try to export some of the basic stuff. Mini pixel pack by Graphic kids. Unzip the art pack, copy it. Well, let's see first what format of assets are there, what are the resolutions, how well they scale, how they apply the transformations on them. Okay, gotcha. And debug, no debug, project, save and quit. So, create a new project. Not there, but learning, yeah, like this. Version 3, 4.3. Learning, circle further. And new project, it's the slash schmip do does this like that. What's going on there in the ground of the back? What's going on here? Hey, nice, sweet. Mini pixel pack. Do you have Excel pixel pack? In need of some high quality 2D space shooter assets, then you're in the right place. In the right place, okay. This small package includes red player ship, 3 enemy types, 4 different projectile web powers, 2 effects, items, UI elements and text assets, a simple repeatable animated space background. Cool, I like it. You can freely use this. Okay, I can freely use it. So if I click download, I don't have money, and he's not asking for money. That's cool. It's already downloaded. Thanks for giving. Thank you. Follow graphics. So if I hit follow, HIO, it's HIO. Cool, good to know. Did I close that? Downloaded. Yeah, mini pixel pack is here. Bring that over here. Where be you? Cut it, bring it all the way. Well, actually, I'll just take all these things. Squash the creeps, dodge the creeps. Blender, not at this point. Let's go. And bring them into the here. Assets, not these assets. Is it this thing? I'll just say assets. Assets. Didn't I say cut? What did I say? Well, close this. Extract. Yeah, here, yeah. Let's have a look, see what's inside. Oh, effects. What's the structure over here? Effects are, so they are sprite sheets, enemies, sprite sheet, horizontal. Okay. Circle sphere, that's the power-ups, power ship. Separate. There they are sprite sheet, ship animation sprite sheet, but boosters are separate. Booster right, booster left. There's the arsenal or the effects, but actual effects are over there. UI objects, PNG, PNG, PNG. Effects. Okay. Space BG 2 frames. 2 frames of this. Where is this? Come on, where are you? There you are. 2 frames. Is this some animated PNG? Witchcraft. Space BG 2 frames. So even if I open it with old fireworks, I won't get the frames from of animation, even if this means that this PNG is animated. Anyway, got the art downloaded. Let's create a project. I've created a project. Open it, unzip the art pack and copy it into a project by dropping the folder in the file system tab. You sure about what you're saying? Let's say so. Bring me the head of Prince Charming. Get over here. Get your booty on the floor.